In this video, I want to go over if name equals main in Python. Now, before we get into the technical details of how this works, let's just look at a really simple example. Let's just say that our friend created a module called mod1, and inside that module there is a class called coolCalculator. It had a whole bunch of different methods: add, subtract, multiply, divide, and so on. If we expand these functions, you can see that they do as their name suggests they do. But let us say that we saw this and we thought it was really cool and we wanted to use some of these methods inside of our project. So let's create our own project by creating a new module called mod2, which stands for module2.py. In order to use this module, we have to first import it. So we're just going to say from mod1 import. We're going to import the coolCalculator class. Now that we've imported it, we can use the methods inside of it when we create an object of it. So we'll say calc is equal to coolCalculator. coolCalculator. Now I have access to the methods in it. Let's just say calc.add, we'll add 5, and then we'll multiply by 2. In order to display this on the screen, we're just going to say print get result. So, sorry, calc.get result. And we'll run it. So we'll save this and we'll run it. Also, let me zoom in real quick. I'm not sure that you can see this very well. But as you can see, we've run it and it runs 10. All it did is it multiplied 5 times 2, which is 10. It worked just as we thought. But let's say that our friend over in the script that we imported wanted to create a project of his own. And he said print, this is my project, and then he saved it. If he ran it, as you can see, it works perfectly for him. This is my project. However, if we run our own code, it's not going to run the same. So if we run it and we scroll down, you can see it first ran his code and then it ran ours. Wouldn't that be frustrating if any time that he made changes to his code, it changed on our end? Well, yeah, it would. And the reason it does this is because whenever you import a module in Python, we're importing mod1, but whenever we do that, it runs the code upon import. At first, it wasn't an issue because all we were doing is declaring a class and the methods inside of it. We weren't printing anything, we weren't calling any methods. Once we start printing stuff and calling methods and making things happen, it's going to, when we import it, run everything from here down, whatever is in this code. So we need a way to only run this code below the class if and only if this module is being run directly, meaning this code is in front of my face and I hit run. This is the only time I want this code to run right here. Well, there's a solution to this, and it's called if name is equal to main. So anything inside if name equals main, let's run this real quick. So if _name is equal to _main. So what we're going to do is we're going to put this in here, Control S. So if we run this directly, meaning that I'm going to hit run and scroll down, as you can see, it worked. And if we run this indirectly by importing it, this should also work to where only our code runs. Control S, and we're going to hit run. So as you can see, it ran just our code and it skipped this. Now technically, if we want to get into the technical details of how this works, name right here is a predefined variable that is automatically created and set by the Python interpreter when executing a script or a module. So when the script is being ran directly, meaning that when I am looking at this code right here and I click run, name will be set to main. However, on the other hand, if I am importing it and I run this code, the name module will be set to mod1 or whatever is being imported. So let me show you an example of how that works. So if name is equal to main, we're going to print name, the predefined variable, and we'll save this. And as you can see, it printed main because we're running it directly. I'm looking at this code and I hit run. Now, if we go to mod2 and we run it, so Control S, let us just remove this code. So we'll Control S it, play. Nothing happened because when we import it and it goes down to this code right here, remember when we import mod 1, it's going to run everything from top to bottom, and it's going to check once it's imported what the variable name is set to right here. What this variable name is set to. Since it's imported, it's going to be set to mod 1, and I can prove it to you by saying else print name. Control S. So if we run it right here, see, it's prints mod 1 because we're importing it and not running it directly. But if we run it directly like this and we scroll down, it will run main. So really what all if name equals main is really doing is it's only going to run the code inside of here. We can put a million lines of code in here, whatever you want to do, but it's only going to run this code if we're running it directly, and it solves the problem that you can write your own project inside of mod 1 or inside of a class, and people can still import it and write the code they want to without this code affecting their scripts. So that was hopefully going to clear up what if name equals main in Python. I hope that you liked it and you found this valuable. If you did, I would appreciate it if you liked, commented, and subscribed, and I will see you guys in future tutorials.